At Parsons Healthy Materials Lab, we look for materials that can be used in our industry that are free from toxic chemicals, that don't bring in toxics into our indoor environment and don't eventually pollute the earth. We were founded to put people's health and planetary health at the center of every design decision. Because we know that designers and architects and builders and contractors, everyone from our industry and manufacturers, can make a huge difference in people's lives. We can make insulation, we can make furniture, we can make wood flooring, we can make our interiors from plants, minerals, and earth.
So, and you're holding a rock. Tell me about why this is important to you.
This is a very important rock. This is a mineral. This is called potassium silicate. Potassium silicate is the basis for Chyme mineral paint. This is the binder. Typical paint that we find on an everyday basis is acrylic or latex paint. That originates from fossil fuel or crude oil. So if we think about how crude oil gets drilled in the ground, comes out of the ground and becomes paint, you can imagine the kinds of processes that happen and the kinds of additives and petrochemicals that go into that paint in order to make it perform as wall paint. All those additives get released from the paint and get into the indoor air and then eventually into our bodies. And they're toxic for us and they cause all kinds of diseases. Historic preservation has used mineral-based paint because it is breathable. So if you put it, say, on masonry, that masonry, moisture and air can pass through it, and so it doesn't degrade. Mineral paint is made of minerals. It's kind of like rock on your walls, so it doesn't peel. There's no peeling. It just is absorbed tightly and binds tightly with any kind of masonry material, which is why it's used on plaster and it's used on stone and it's used even on masonry block. As it degrades, it's dust. At the Healthy Materials Lab, our mission is to bring this information to you. That's solely why we exist. So we provide education, we provide resources, we carefully evaluate materials for their impact on human health, and those that pass our kind of examination are published on our website at healthymaterialslab.org.